In the forestry and logging sector, chainsaws are a symbol of outstanding efficiency. With impressive power and cutting speed, chainsaws have become an indispensable tool for many different applications. Join me in watching the entire video to see how effectively they work. High-speed chainsaws are an extremely effective tool in the wood industry, helping to increase productivity with the ability to cut quickly and accurately. The fast processing ability of the high-speed chainsaw reduces working time, increases production capacity, and reduces labor effort, making the woodworking process more efficient. With so many types of modern chainsaws today, it is difficult to choose the chainsaw with the fastest cutting speed. But this Echo CS440 chainsaw is currently the most popular machine. For industries that require precision and accuracy, this is an indispensable choice to ensure the desired results are achieved. In addition to high speed, it also provides precision in cutting wood, minimizing loss and creating a high-quality final product. For products before being delivered to users, stores will let them test them first. This Stihl MS 280C saw is fast, it feels light and cuts through wood like butter. If trees like this are not pruned at the right time, they will fall during the dry season and can be very dangerous. Its radius is about 50 centimeters, and it is difficult to cut them with tools other than a chainsaw. The reason chainsaws are popular is because they are convenient to work with and can handle many different situations. Number 13. In the US, they even have chainsaw cutting competitions like this. I love watching loggers do their job, but it's sad to see a big old redwood tree cut down. This tree cutting job is also very dangerous. Only those who work in the profession can understand this difficulty. This is the best type of firewood today. We should own a machine like this so we can easily cut them. That saw is so big, it makes a 50-inch bar look like a 28-inch bar. This is a great way to cut trees to make a fire, save it for when needed. To be able to cut down large trees, workers require a lot of experience to handle difficult cases. If you see a person cutting a tree, stay away from it because it may fall on you, which is very dangerous. Its rotation speed is 4,000 revolutions per minute. At this speed, no tree can withstand it. These adaptable tools have developed over time, integrating advanced attributes like ergonomic designs, advanced fuel efficiency, and improved safety mechanisms. Share your thoughts on which chainsaw you believe is the quickest. Kindly support us by liking, sharing, and subscribing to the channel. We'll see you in the next video.